If you're dreaming of a peaceful life in a beautiful coastal town with dramatic cliffs, green hills, Luarca in Asturias might be exactly what you're looking for. It's a small fishing town on the north coast of Spain, known for its white houses, scenic port, and affordable cost of living. Rent in Luarca is surprisingly low. A room in a shared flat usually costs between 200 and 300 euros a month. If you're looking for a small private apartment, expect to pay around 400 to 500 euros depending on the season and location. Off-season prices can be even cheaper. Food costs are also budget-friendly. If you shop at local supermarkets like Luarca or family-run stores, you can eat well for about 130 to 170 euros per month. Fresh seafood and local produce are easy to find and often cheaper than in bigger cities. Transportation costs are minimal. Luarca is very walkable, and most daily needs are within a short distance. There are buses and trains connecting Luarca to Oviedo and Gijón if you want to travel. A few trips per month would cost you less than 25 euros. Utilities and internet together usually cost around 80 to 100 euros monthly. The climate is mild, so you won't need air conditioning, and heating is only needed during the winter months, keeping energy bills low. Luarca offers a slower, peaceful lifestyle that's perfect for remote workers, retirees, or anyone tired of city noise. You'll enjoy beautiful beaches, coastal hiking trails, and a relaxed atmosphere where life feels simple and real. It's also one of the most photogenic towns in the region. Here's the monthly budget breakdown. Rent, 200 to 500 euros. Groceries, 130 to 170 euros. Transport, 0 to 25 euros. Utilities and internet, 80 to 100 euros. That brings your total monthly cost to somewhere between 510 and 795 euros. If you want calm mornings, fresh ocean air, and a meaningful life in a scenic town, Luarca might be your hidden gem in Spain.